Tata Steel, a global steel leader, operates a large factory site in the Netherlands. Our waste management department plays a crucial role in this ecosystem, collecting dust, waste materials, and secondary products from our production process. Some materials are recycled within our production process, while others undergo off-site processing. Our commitment to sustainability drives us to ensure every resource is utilized to its fullest potential. Site measurements play a pivotal role in overseeing raw materials and waste at our facility. Currently, our process involves visual estimations to gauge the quantity of materials in a given area. We then coordinate truck and excavator orders based on these estimates. While incoming trucks are weighed, this method isn't always reliable for calculating volume. Previously, site measurements were manually conducted by staff by visually estimating the amount of material and whether or not it will be a full truckload. This manual process is very time-consuming and inaccurate. With the DJI Dock 2, we now have an innovative and more efficient solution. The DJI Dock 2 system, utilizing the DJI Matrice 3D and FlightHub 2 software, enables remote flight route planning and execution. This facilitates daily volumetric scans of on-site stockpiles, ensuring accurate material measurements and operational efficiency. By harnessing the data gathered, we optimize waste shipments, ensuring full truckloads for dispatch, reducing costs, and minimizing our carbon footprint. This integration revolutionizes resource management, achieving precise volume measurements in just 45 minutes and significantly reducing our environmental impact. Implementing mapping data and the DJI Dock 2 has provided numerous benefits for our site operations. The DJI Dock 2 offers swift operation, real-time viewing, streamlined mission planning, and automated inspections. It enables multiple flights per day, even without on-site workers. These features enhance workflow efficiency and resource management significantly. With these advancements, we are driving innovation and making a positive global impact through sustainable steel production.